This video is sponsored by AnyTrans, an easy way to manage your iPhone data. Easily move data between your iPhone and your computer or from your iPhone to another iPhone. And with the phone switcher feature, you can completely transfer any data that you want from your old iPhone to your new iPhone in a couple of clicks. And the app library feature allows you to save your apps so that you can go ahead and install all versions of your apps whenever you want to your device. If you want to give it a try, make sure to check out the link right down below in the description. Hey, what's going on everyone, this is iReviews back with another video, and today I will show you guys the top 10 must-have iPhone apps for March 2021. Now before I even get started with the video, I just want to ask you guys to smash that like button as it helps out a lot. Alright, starting the video with Daily Wallpaper. This is an app that allows you to download beautiful wallpapers for your device as well as customize those wallpapers. So on the home screen here you will have wallpapers, then you will have all kinds of different categories to browse from, and right here you will have the options to where you can customize your wallpapers, the ones that you download from the app, and of course the ones that you already have under the camera roll of your device. So you can add a cover, you can add a mask there, you can add those little icons at the lock there, that's for devices with a notch, and you can also blur the wallpapers. Now when you find a wallpaper that you like, what you can do here is tap on that wallpaper and see a preview of how that will look on the home screen of your device. You can also tap right there on make and it will take you to that section that I just talked about. Here we can go ahead and add blur, for example, and once we're good to go, tap the download button and that will be downloaded on our device. URL Album is the next app for the video. This one lets you keep your URLs, your bookmarks, all in one place and organize them in a very beautiful way. So here we have URLs and we also have topics. Now under topics, those are kind of like folders where you can organize your URLs, of course, based on their topic. And then here on the home screen, you have your URLs, which you can display on different modes right here and make them look really cool. Now you have a search bar right there to search for any URL that you want, and you have a plus button from where you can add a URL or create a topic and then add URLs to that topic. Now right here, all you gotta do is just paste the URL, add a title, and choose in which topic you want to place that certain URL. Screenshots is the next app for the video. Now this one is really interesting as it lets you find any screenshot that you want on your device very easily. Now most of the time we have hundreds of screenshots saved under the camera roll. When you want to find one that you need, of course, most of the time you take a screenshot of something really important and then it's hard to find it. What you can do with this app is search your screenshots and it actually searches the text within screenshots and will find them for you. So let's just go ahead and search for iPhone right here. So you can see it will find a screenshot which contains the word iPhone on that, and of course it shows you everything you need to know regarding that screenshot right here. Now if you need this screenshot, you can just tap the share screenshot and of course you can copy it right here or you can share it anywhere you want. Now this also offers a widget for the home screen of your iOS 14 device, is this one right here, which displays the actual number of pictures that you have on your device as well as the number of screenshots that you have on your device. The next app for the video is Photo Stitcher. This is an app that allows you to easily stitch pictures together, whether that be vertically or horizontally. All you gotta do is just select the photos that you want to use. Once you have done that, you tap that little button and choose the mode in which you want to stitch them. And right here you will see all the pictures stitched together. Now what you have here is also the option to change the size of any of these pictures right here, so you can move them around like that. And once you're done, you can tap that button to save it. But you also have here tools. Now under tools, you will have a bunch of different tools that you can use to actually customize these pictures. Maybe add a frame of a device right here, or just go ahead and add like a border to these pictures. Anything you want very easily. Then just tap that little button right there and this will be saved under the camera roll of your device. Next up, we have an app called Gravity Wallpapers. This is an app that offers live wallpapers for the lock screen of your device, and they're really interesting. They like 3D and they look really awesome. Now here's one of them. Of course, you can swipe here to show the other ones, and you can tap on that little button to see a preview of how that will look on the lock screen of your device. So just swipe here and take a look at all the cool wallpapers that this app has to offer. Now if you go under wallpapers, you will see here their selection and also different categories of wallpapers which you can browse. So here we'll have gravity, you have season, you have abstract, and all that. You have sports here, and once you have found, of course, a wallpaper that you like, you tap the save button and then just go ahead and set it as a live wallpaper for the lock screen of your device. Next up is an app called My Pedometer. Now this one will track your steps, your floors climbed, your distance that you have walked, of course, the average speed, heart rate, of course, if you have an Apple Watch on, and all that. Now, of course, this can be done with a lot of apps, but the reason I like this one is that it gives you more details. By simply tapping on it, it will show you all the different steps and different hours, of course, when you did that, or maybe even show you the distance of how much you have walked on each hour. And then if you go to summary right here, this is the part that I really like, and I think it's pretty cool to see. This will show you how many steps you have taken on a week or on a month, or maybe even a year. And you can compare your months, for example, or your weeks or your days, and see how many steps did you take. You have your floors climbed, you will have here the distance, the speed, heart rate, and all that all in one place. So it's really cool, and I haven't seen much apps offer this option right here to see how much you have walked in months and years as well. Next up is BWeather. Now this is a fairly new weather app, but I really like it because it gives you all kinds of details regarding the current weather and of course the weather forecast, and also it has some beautiful widgets for the home screen of your iOS 14 device. Now here is the main home screen of the app. Right there you will see the current weather, and you will have like 4 different reports right here, which you can choose what you want to see here. Just tap on any of them, and of course you can change that. You will have the 24-hour hourly forecast right here, and then the next 7 days, and you have the data points right here at the bottom. Now if you go to the home screen, you can add all kinds of different widgets from this app. I believe it has like 6 or 7 widgets for the home screen. Now you 3D touch on one of them, tap on edit widget, and from here you will be able to customize the widget. You can change the location, you can choose to whether you want to show or no the location name, and of course you have the hourly data point and the daily data point temperature right there, which you can of course change and display actually whatever you want on the home screen of your device. Next up is Artboard. Now with Artboard you will be able to create amazing posts for your social media, or maybe a cover for your Instagram story, or a portrait picture for your Twitter. You can go ahead and just choose whatever you want to create here and do that easily and for free with Artboard. And you will have templates coming really soon here. As I said, this is a new app, so wait for an update on that. So here, let's say we want to create an Instagram story. We can choose here the background, so we can add any of these gradients right here and tap the plus button if we want to add something else, maybe an image. So pick an image from the media library of your device, and once you have picked that image, of course you can go ahead and resize it, place it anywhere you want. You will see all the different tools right here that you can go ahead and choose. So you will have the aspect ratio, you can rotate it of course, or do anything you want. And you can add extra here, you can add different stickers, symbols, all that of course to your new post that you're creating for your Instagram. So basically create any post you want for your Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, or any other social media. And once you're done, just tap that little share button and go ahead and save this as an image under the camera roll. Next up is an app called Uni. Now this is actually a keyboard app which will add a pretty cool keyboard to your iPhone, which lets you use different symbols. So you will have here the usual emojis, and then you will have basic Latin right here, have currency symbols right here. Of course, just tap on any of them if you want to use them on any of your text, and you will see here all kinds of different symbols that you can use on your device. So simply choose right here the category of symbols, and then you will see them right here on the other side. And of course you can go ahead and just swipe through them right here and choose whichever ones you want to use. So very simple, and of course very useful. You might need some of these on any time, and you will be able to of course use them with this app. Now, the first time you install the app, you will need to go to your settings and go to General, go to Keyboard right here, make sure to go to Keyboards and tap to add a new keyboard, and make sure to go ahead and add this keyboard right there, Uni Keyboard, and you will be able to use all those different symbols. And last but not least is Hit Meal. Now, Hit Meal will help you keep track of your calories that you eat, and of course how much you need to eat during the day to lose weight. Now, what you gotta do is, of course, set up the app once you install it with your info, your height, your weight, and all that, and of course choose whether you want to lose weight or gain weight, whatever you want to do. And then it will just show you right here how many calories you have to eat during the day, and you can go ahead and add your breakfast, your lunch, your dinner, and your snacks right here. Now, if you go on the second tab here, you will find diets and fasting programs, which will be coming really soon with an update of the app. And then right here, you will also find recipes, which are also coming very soon. And on the middle here, tap the plus button to quickly add anything you want to the app, starting from breakfast, snacks, lunch, or dinner. So that is it for this video, guys. These are 10 iPhone apps that you must have on your device in March 2021. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Go ahead, leave a like if you did. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more. If you want to download any of the apps, make sure to check out the pinned comment, and I will see you on the next one.